Step 6. How to improve your jumping technique. Jumping is more complicated than just pushing yourself off of the floor. There are specific techniques you should follow to get the most out of each jump. Quick tip. When starting each jump, keep your feet close together and arch your back as you begin to bend slightly at the knees to begin the jump. Your jump should explode from your toes, and they should be the last thing to leave the floor. During your sporting event of choice, you may not have the chance to use a perfect technique each time you jump, but by practicing your technique while working out, you will improve your technique during your sport of choice. It might seem simple or unimportant, but practicing good technique can make all the difference between a low jump and a high one. Your technique can go a long way toward improving your vertical leap.